there's a lot of research that points to the fact that exercise is not even something that's going to help you lose weight as much as it's going to help you to be mentally healthy. Okay? So it's necessary not just for weight loss, not just for building muscles, but for being healthier. And being healthier is amazing because you have a healthier mind that functions better, you accomplish tasks during the day better, your stress levels go down, you're healthier, like long-term healthier, right? You work better, you're more efficient, your mind is firing. All these things happen. And so this is the reason to exercise. And when you exercise, unless you really get yourself really fatigued for that day, your mind is functioning better and it's better at controlling your diet as well. So you got to be really aware of your diet. And what's going to happen is when your mind is functioning better, when your body is functioning better, when everything's firing on all cylinders, you are going to start to be better able at controlling your bad habits and your diet, things like that. So exercise is certainly very important, and not just for weight loss directly, but also for mental health.